today's video, I'm going to be doing an inspired chariot. I know what you guys are thinking. This woman has lost her marbles, and I probably have. But you know what? That's me. I like doing Mackenzie Childs inspired and a lot of Alice in Wonderland and kind of crazy stuff, and that's what we're doing today. This piece was on Marketplace, listed for $10. I did go and pick it up, and then the lady that was selling it, she says, no, just take it, I don't want the $10. So, which I thought was extremely nice. It's something that's a bit unusual for me, something I haven't painted before. Pretty wild, eh? My granddaughter loves horses, and when we've seen this on Marketplace, I thought, how cute. I'm going to do it for her, and we can just put it up on the fence. Right now we just have it here, but it is going to go on the fence over there once it's all painted and ready to go. There is some things that I wanted to show you. For an example, the wheels do not go all the way around, and I think it was because maybe the chariot behind, I don't know. So I'm going to have to figure out something with that. I'm going to be painting the chariot itself, and it's really super cute, and it has a glass. And then the horse, to me, needs a little something. I find it a little bit plain, so I need to give him some life. I think he needs a mane, so we're going to do that as well. Yeah, I can't wait to see how this turns out. So let's get started. I mean, it's not perfect. There's some little doodads in there, but you know what? This is for outside, so I'm not going to worry about it. But I guess here they didn't go because of the chariot. So I put these in, and I'm going to continue it on so I can complete the full wheel. Doesn't have to be perfect, and this is what I want to show you, that you can take, you know, something and just have fun with it. Now the carriage is already black, so I'm going to just give it another coat to freshen it up. And this is just regular house paint. I buy the big cans and then I save it for projects like this.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
This is what we've got so far. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do. Even though I did paint over the tape, I painted the bottom color. It's still stripped a lot because, of course, this is not even. This is plywood and it's not even. It's got dents. So, you know, the paint seeps through, which is not a problem. This is an outside project. I changed the feet because it looked like it had socks before. I didn't want to give him socks, so changed that and changed the, you know, the angle here because it was kind of going up to there and it looked like it had socks, so I changed that. Got a little crazy. Kids were playing, kind of got into it. I had a couple of friends over last night, and one of them, my friend Nancy, she wanted to help me a little bit over there, which was great. She did a great job. Way to go, Nancy, over there. And she started to clean that up. And my friend Robina, She brought a couple of pieces of ceiling medallions that she's working on. If you have friends who love to paint, just get all together and do it. It really is a lot of fun.
Life is a winding
Done, cleaned up. Still need to do a couple more things on it. This is part of the chariot, so we're gonna have to do that after, but I'm gonna do the touch-ups in red first.
won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out.
Sorry guys, but it started to rain and I really wanted to finish his tail. So I'm gonna just use a darker and I'm gonna kind of whisk it in.
Down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Well, there's the carriage. So far, we're gonna put the little circles in the center. To be perfectly honest, I can't really do a tail if my life depended on it, or a mane. I did it my way, and I'm okay with that because at the end of the day, I don't care. It's for fun. I'm gonna let it dry here a little bit, and then I'll show you a finished product. Well, there you have it. It's in the evening. It's getting a bit dark, but I really wanted to show you how it looks. I can't say that I'm extremely happy or I'm too happy with the, with the tail and the mane, but that's okay. I did take away his socks because it had, the gray was all the way up to the top, and I figured I'd change it a little bit. I don't know if that's right or not, but I like it this way. In the wheels, the checkered in the wheels, they were all gray, so I painted it kind of fake in the wheel to, as you can say, kind of faked it on top of the wheel so that it looks like the chariot is popping, or the carriage is popping through. It's a fun piece. I just wanted to see what I could do with it. I did have fun with it, and you know what? At the end of the day, that's what it's all about, is using your imagination, looking at something, and just thinking, what can I do with that? That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload. Please leave me a comment, share the video, and give me a thumbs up. It really helps push the algorithm and helps my channel to grow, and I can continue to do crazy stuff like this. Thank you so much. Have an amazing week. Thank you for spending some time with me. And always remember, you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when, and never ever I wish I did. We'll see you next time.